The reason why your plants might not be growing is something you may not think about, and it could be the soil temperature itself. So one trick you can use to fix that is basically buying a soil thermometer, which is around like 10 euros, which is gonna be like $15-16. The temperature currently is just above 20 degrees Celsius, which you can see right here. Between the air temperature and the temperature in the soil, and there's a huge delay in between when the air temperature reaches a certain degree and the soil temperature reaches the same degree. So basically currently the air temperature is around like 28 degrees whilst the soil temperature is 20, so that's an 8-degree difference. So we place the thermometer 10 centimeters into the ground, which is precisely where you need to place it in order to check the right temperature deep in the ground for the tomato seeds and for the plants as well. And for tomatoes specifically, you want at least 10 degrees, but then you're not going to be growing fruit for months to come. So the sweet spot is exactly in between 20 and 25 degrees for tomatoes. Meanwhile, for peppers, you're gonna need from 21 all the way up to 28 degrees in order to grow peppers, and in order for them to produce as many peppers as they can, and in order for them to thrive as like a plant. So there's a big difference. Currently, you can see that the tomatoes are growing very well, and you can see how big they are, in comparison. Like, these are the tomato plants, and you can even see, check this out, we've got our first tomato here. Yeah, we've got our first tomato. So the temperature is spot on for tomatoes to grow. Meanwhile, for peppers, you can see we don't have any fruits, and we have nothing growing on the pepper field, That's the reason why some plant varieties can grow faster than others, because peppers currently need 25 degrees of a soil temperature in order to grow and in order to grow fast. And tomatoes, on the other hand, need like 20 degrees in order to produce fruit, as you can see right here. But the main thing people are focusing on is like air temperature, and like whether the plants are in the sunlight, whether they're in a shady spot, whether they have enough like organic compounds in the soil. But as you can see right now, the tomato plants currently are producing fruit, and they're producing something, whilst the peppers are still growing, which means that the temperature just isn't that good for peppers, which means that the temperature isn't right for the peppers currently, and they're going to take more time to grow something, whilst the tomatoes are actually flourishing. So you need to be a bit more consistent, and you need to measure the temperature instead of gauging whether the time is right and whether it's like the season to grow fruit and to grow vegetables. You need to first put a thermometer into the ground and measure. So what can you actually do, in order to increase the soil temperature? First thing you can do is build your very own garden bed, just like we did here. You can build it, and that's gonna isolate that section, and you're gonna add more soil, you're gonna add nutrient-rich soil, you're gonna add fertilizers to it, and that's gonna increase the temperature already. So it's gonna create like a blanket that's gonna help the plants inside it to grow in a warmer space. And what you can also do is add like a clear plastic layer on top, which is gonna absorb more heat, and that's gonna absorb more heat, and it's gonna create like an insulated space that traps heat inside and raises the soil temperature as well as the surrounding temperature, so your fruits and plants can actually grow faster. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's gonna cost like $10 to $15 or 10 euros, and you can get a soil thermometer that basically tells you specifically when the soil is ready to grow the specific fruits and plants you need. So that's gonna be it for today's episode, because it's getting a bit late. So thank you again for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, we do appreciate it. And also, we've launched a Buy Me a Coffee page, so if you can go there and help us out, to produce more content, we'd really appreciate that. Thank you again. Bye bye.